Elcoman presents KOBRA Plus 3, a professional shredder of the classic line. KOBRA Plus 3 shreds up to 14 sheets at a time, credit cards, CDs, DVDs, and films. KOBRA Plus 3 shreds crumpled paper through the special throw and shred system equipped with a revolving feeding flap. Activates automatically at material intake. Shredding can be stopped and reversed just by touching the stop button, and reverses automatically in case of jamming. Convenient and safe 230mm main throat. A sensor detects the bin removal, the lid opening, and stops the cutting knives. Paper and plastic shreds are collected into two separate integrated bins, a 38.5 liter for paper and a 1.5 liter bin for plastic. The removable bin does not require plastic bags, and it is equipped with a transparent front window to easily check the shred level. The Energy Smart energy saving system puts the shredder into a power-saving standby mode. Cutting knives are made of carbon-hardened steel, unaffected by staples and metal clips. 24-hour continuous duty motor without duty cycle. Flat paper, crumpled paper, and CDs. KOBRA Plus 3, 3 shredding functions.